Need to add media, generate content, or swap visuals in your video? That's where Asset Tools come in. In this tutorial, you'll learn how to use Asset Tools to build and update your videos faster in VideoGen. Before we start, you can visit VideoGen.io to follow along the steps. If you're watching on social media, you can find a link in the description. Asset Tools help you manage everything that goes into your project. This includes videos, images, music, voiceovers, text, shapes, and AI-generated content. You can upload your own media, browse stock assets, or generate new content directly inside the editor. Everything is organized into one consistent workflow. Asset Tools appear throughout VideoGen. You can access them from the sidebar, the timeline, section controls, or directly from an asset on the canvas. When you add or replace media, the asset browser opens automatically. From there, you can choose different categories like video, image, audio, AI, or voiceover. Insert adds new content into your timeline. Replace swaps existing content without changing your layout. This makes it easy to test new visuals while keeping your video structure intact. Once your assets are added, you can adjust timing, positioning, and styling directly in the editor. Asset Tools make it easier to create, update, and organize your videos from one place. Thanks for watching. Now you're ready to use Asset Tools to build and update videos more efficiently in VideoGen. Sign up and explore more tutorials on our YouTube channel or in the help docs.